Hello one and all, good day to you all. We are solving second exercise problems on chapter areas related to circles. We have completed first two problems. In today's session, let us start to solve third and fourth problems. Coming to the third problem, the length of a minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. We know that one sweep of minute hand equal to 360 degree. Therefore, 5 minute equal to 360 divided by 12. So, 5 minute equal to, it is 30 degree. Now we have to find the area swept by a minute hand in 5 minutes. So what is the area of the sector, children? So area of the sector, it is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Therefore the area swept by a minute hand in 5 minutes, A equal to theta is 30 degree divided by 360 degree into pi value, it is 22 by 7 into radius, it is 14 centimeter, pi r square, 14 into 14. Let us simplify, children. 0 0 get cancel, 3 1s are 3, 12s are 36, 2 6 are 12, 2 11s are 22. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. This 7 7 get cancel. What is remain? So A equal to 11 14s are 154 divided by 3 centimeter square. Therefore, area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes, that is 154 by 3 centimeter square. Coming to the second question, a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtend a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major sector. So what is given? A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. Let me draw one chord, AB as a chord and radius 10 centimeter. Subtended right angle at the center. This is the center of the circle. Subtended right angle at the center. So radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. Now find the area of the corresponding minor segment. So what do you mean by minor segment, children? The area bounded by a chord and minor arc. This region is now minor segment. How will you find the area of the minor segment? Area of the sector OACB minus area of a triangle OAB. You will get area of minor segment. Let me write here. Area of minor segment equal to area of sector OACB minus area of triangle OAB. So let us find the area of a sector OACB. So what is the formula? Theta by 360 degree into pi r square minus area of triangle OAB. So it is half into base into height. It is a right angle triangle. Let us substitute the values, children. Theta is 90 degree divided by 360 degree into pi value. Pi value in the question they have given, use pi value as 3.14. So let us substitute the value of pi as 3.14 into r. Radius of the circle is 10 into 10 minus half into base of right angle triangle. It is 10. Even height also it is 10 centimeter. So let us simplify. 0 0 get cancelled. 9 1s are 9 4s are. Here 2 1s are 2 5s are. So after simplification 2 2s are 2 5s are. After simplification you will get area of sector OACB is 78.5 minus 5 tens are 50. So it is 78.5 minus 50. It is 28.5 centimeter square. So area of the segment ABC, minor segment, is 28.5 centimeter square. Therefore, let me write the conclusion. Area of minor segment equal to 28.5 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of major sector. Which is a major sector, children? This is a major sector. Now we have to find the area of major sector. ADB. Area of major sector ADB equal to, so what is the formula? A equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So what is the theta value, children? If this is theta equal to 90 degree, then this angle is, theta value is 360 degree minus 90 degree, it is 270 degree. Now let us substitute the values. A equal to 270 divided by 360 degree into pi value, we have to use it as 3.14 into 10 into 10. Let us simplify, children. 0 0 get cancel. 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 5s are. After multiplication, area you will get 235.5 centimeter square. Therefore, let me write the conclusion. Area of major sector equal to 235.5 centimeter square. With this problem, I will wind up the session. In my next video, let us solve remaining exercise problems. Till then, keep practicing these problems. Thank you.